Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to check bad sector on your Windows 11 hard drive. So you just need to follow me. So firstly, what you have to do, you just need to go to my computer and check your which drive you want to check the bad sector. So I have so many drivers, you can say C, E, F, H and I. Now you just need to go to your start menu, type CMD. Now after that, you just need to right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. Now click on yes. After that, it will open one command prompt window. Now you have to type one command is called check CHKDSK, then space. Then here you just need to type your drive letter. So as you can see, I have so many drives. So I will scan this drive which is I. So I will type over here I. After put the drive letter, you just need to type colon. Okay, so colon, then space, then slash, then F. Okay, so after put this command, you just need to press enter from your keyboard. Now it will show you as you can see in my case 0 KB bad sector is showing, and also Windows has scanned file system and found no problems, as you can see. So through this way you can check your bad sector on your hard drive. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button, and if you have any questions or questions then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.